Welcome to a world where colossal machines reshape our landscape and industry. Today, we're delving into extraordinary heavy machines, each a marvel in its own right. From the vast fields of agriculture to the depths of mining, these giants are pushing the boundaries of engineering and technology. The Liebherr T284 mining truck redefines heavy hauling and mining. As one of the lightest yet most capable trucks in the 400-ton class, it combines a 4,023 horsepower engine with innovative technologies for high payload capacities and fuel efficiency. This behemoth is engineered for performance, boasting a top speed of 40 miles per hour and a payload of 363 tons, setting new standards in cost-effective mineral extraction. Meet the Komatsu PC8006, a giant in the world of excavators. With a 4,020 horsepower engine and a 42 cubic yard bucket capacity, this hydraulic excavator is a beast in large-scale earth moving and mining. Its advanced hydraulics provide power and precision, making it ideal for the most demanding digging tasks. The PC8006 is not only powerful, but also boasts features for operator comfort and safety, making it a top choice for major construction projects. Caterpillar's 797F haul truck is a symbol of might in the mining industry. With a payload capacity of 400 tons and a gross machine operating weight of 1.38 million pounds, this truck is one of the largest in the world. It's powered by a 4,000 horsepower engine designed for high production mining and heavy-duty construction projects. The 797F combines robust construction with advanced technology for efficiency and longevity. The P&H 4100 XPC electric rope shovel, designed for heavy-duty digging and surface mines, is a testament to advanced mining technology. It boasts a payload of 120 tons and features a state-of-the-art electric motor system, delivering exceptional efficiency and reliability. The 4100 XPC's precision control and innovative design ensure optimal performance in the most challenging mining conditions. In underground mining, the Sandvik TH663i shines with its robust design and advanced technology. This 63-ton payload capacity truck is engineered for safety, productivity, and reliability. Its intelligent control system and high-speed capabilities make it a top performer in challenging subterranean environments. The TH663i sets the bar high for underground hauling. The Bucyrus RH400, the world's largest hydraulic shovel, excels in large-scale mining operations. With a bucket capacity of 57 cubic yards and a 4,500 horsepower engine, this shovel is a powerhouse in moving earth and minerals. Its advanced hydraulics and robust design ensure durability and efficiency, making it a key player in global mining operations. The Wirtgen W210 Phi, a leader in road construction, boasts a milling width of 7 feet and a depth of 13 inches. This innovative machine is essential in removing asphalt and concrete surfaces, preparing them for repaving. Its advanced control system and efficient engine ensure precise milling and optimal fuel consumption, crucial for quality road surfaces and environmental sustainability. The Kobylko CK3300 G2 crawler crane, known for its versatility and power in construction projects, offers a maximum lift capacity of 330 tons and a boom length of up to 295 feet. Its innovative design allows for quick assembly and disassembly, making it ideal for various construction sites. The CK3300 G2 combines strength, precision, and reliability, making it a preferred choice for heavy lifting tasks. Volvo's EC950F crawler excavator, a giant in the construction industry, features a 603 horsepower engine and a 10 cubic yard bucket capacity. Designed for heavy-duty digging and loading, this excavator offers high productivity and efficiency. Its advanced hydraulics and robust design ensure optimal performance and durability, making it a go-to machine for large-scale earth-moving projects. The Liebherr LTM 1750, 9.1 mobile crane and engineering masterpiece, boasts a maximum lift capacity of 900 tons and a telescopic boom extending up to 171 feet. Its versatility and mobility make it ideal for a range of applications from constructing skyscrapers to wind turbine assembly. The LTM 1750, 9.1 is a perfect blend of power, precision, and efficiency. The Demag AC500, 8 all-terrain crane known for its exceptional lifting capacity and compact design, offers a maximum lift capacity of 600 tons and a boom length of up to 183 feet. This crane is designed for versatility, able to navigate both on- and off-road environments. The AC500 8 combines strength and agility, making it ideal for complex lifting tasks in confined spaces. Hitachi's ZX870 LC6 excavator, a powerhouse in the construction sector, is equipped with a 512 horsepower engine and a 7.7 cubic yard bucket. This excavator is designed for efficiency and durability, excelling in large-scale earth-moving and heavy digging operations. Its advanced technology ensures operator comfort and safety, making it a top choice for demanding construction projects. In the metallurgical industry, the Terex Finlay J1175 jaw crusher stands out. It's designed for high capacity and large reduction ratios in quarrying, mining, demolition, and recycling applications. With a 42 by 30-inch jaw chamber and an advanced control system, this crusher ensures efficient material processing, combining power and precision in material handling. Dive into the world of railroad construction with the Placer & Amp Thirer SVM 1000 Infrastar. This railroad track-laying machine astounds with its ability to simultaneously lay tracks and sleepers, dramatically speeding up railway construction. Its precision technology ensures perfectly aligned tracks, a crucial factor in railway safety and efficiency. The SVM 1000 Infrastar represents a significant leap in railway engineering, combining speed, accuracy, and reliability. In the agricultural sector, the Krone Big X 1100 stands out. This forage harvester boasts an 1100 horsepower engine, making it the most powerful in the world. Its ability to harvest a variety of crops with incredible speed and efficiency is unparalleled. The Big X 1100 not only cuts and collects crops, but also processes them on the go, a feature that significantly reduces harvest time and increases productivity. The Liebherr LR 13000 crawler crane is a marvel in the construction world. It's the world's largest crawler crane, with a lifting capacity of 3,300 short tons and a height reaching up to 804 feet. This giant is used for constructing power plants, wind turbines, and petrochemicals. Its unique feature is the ability to work without much setup, making it ideal for heavy lifting tasks that demand both strength and precision. Explore underground with the herring-necked EPB Shield S300, a massive tunnel-boring machine. It's designed for creating tunnels in varying ground conditions, from hard rock to sandy soil. With a diameter of over 49 feet, it's one of the largest of its kind. This mechanical mole uses a special earth pressure balance technology to safely bore through the ground, making it a critical tool in metro and railway tunnel construction. Revisit the mining sector with the LALSHOW 75710, the world's largest, highest payload capacity haul truck. This behemoth can carry a staggering 450 tons. Its two diesel engines generate a combined power of 4,600 horsepower, enabling it to move massive loads over rugged terrain. The LALSHOW 75710 is not just about size. Its design optimizes fuel consumption and reduces environmental impact, setting a new standard in heavy-duty mining. In agriculture, the AGCO Fendt 1167 Vario MT tractor is a game-changer. This high-horsepower tractor, with its advanced Vario transmission, delivers exceptional power and versatility. It's designed for heavy pulling and efficient field work, with technology that maximizes fuel efficiency and reduces soil compaction. This tractor exemplifies the fusion of power and precision in modern farming. The Claas Jaguar 990 forage harvester is a leader in crop processing efficiency. With its powerful engine and advanced technology, it offers unmatched crop throughput and quality. This machine's precision chopping system ensures optimal silage quality, crucial for livestock nutrition. Its user-friendly interface and data management systems make it a favorite among farmers who prioritize efficiency and sustainability. The TBM S787 tunnel boring machine, a giant in the construction of water transport tunnels. Designed to work under high water pressure, this machine can bore tunnels up to 46 feet in diameter. Its advanced navigation systems ensure precise alignment, crucial for long underwater tunnels. The TBM S787 represents the pinnacle of engineering and creating infrastructure that connects cities and countries. The Liebherr LB-44 rotary drilling rig, a powerhouse in foundation construction. It's renowned for its deep drilling capabilities, essential for skyscrapers and large infrastructure projects. This rig combines power, range, and precision, and its innovative design allows for various drilling methods, adapting to different geological conditions. The Terex AC 1000 mobile crane, a testament to lifting and handling prowess. As one of the most powerful telescopic cranes on the market, it boasts a 1,000-ton lifting capacity. Its versatility in configuring and mobility makes it ideal for urban and industrial projects where space and time are limited. In the fields, the Case IH Steiger Quadtrac 620 tractor is a true workhorse. It's the world's most powerful tractor, designed for maximum traction and minimum soil compaction. This machine is not just about brute force. Its advanced farming technology improves productivity and sustainability in modern agriculture. The Matisa B66 Universal Tamping Machine, a key player in railway maintenance. This machine specializes in precise track tamping, alignment, and stabilization. Its versatility allows it to work on different track gauges, making it invaluable for maintaining diverse rail systems worldwide. Meet the John Deere CP 690 cotton picker, revolutionizing cotton harvesting. This machine automates the picking process, dramatically increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. It's not only about speed, its on-the-go round module building technology improves cotton quality, transforming the cotton industry. The Komatsu D575A3 SD Super Dozer, the world's largest and most powerful bulldozer. Primarily used in mining and large construction projects, its sheer size and strength allow it to move massive amounts of earth effortlessly. This dozer is not just a symbol of power, but also of technological advancement in heavy machinery. Lastly, the Sandvik LH621i loader, a state-of-the-art underground loader for large-scale mining operations. It's designed for rapid, high-capacity loading with exceptional efficiency and safety. The LH621i features advanced automation capabilities, allowing for remote operation in hazardous environments. Its design emphasizes durability and environmental consideration, showcasing the future of smart mining technology. The Digger. D250 is a crucial excavation tool used in demining and handling explosive substances. Developed to assist in clearing mines and explosive remnants from war zones, the D250 specializes in detecting and safely extracting dangerous combustible items like mines and explosive materials from below the surface. Featuring specialized attachments for handling explosives, including digging and lifting equipment, It delves deep without triggering blasts or causing harm. The D-250 is instrumental in making formerly mined regions safe for civilians, aiding in post-conflict land rehabilitation. The Liebherr 984 excavator stands out as a mammoth and potent machine. Its considerable weight and stature, combined with a sizable digging bucket and formidable excavation abilities, allow it to efficiently move large volumes of earth and stone. Its potent engine enables it to tackle substantial excavation projects. The Liebherr 984 incorporates advanced technology for enhanced efficiency and precision, making it highly effective in demanding conditions and playing a pivotal role in resource extraction and heavy construction. NextTrencher's D-250, a disc trencher mounted on an excavator, allows for trenching up to about 31.5 inches deep and 4.7 to 9.8 inches wide. Tailored for urban trenching, especially on rocky surfaces, it provides higher efficiency in such tasks. The disc trenching system ensures a neat pavement cut to exact project dimensions. Its enclosed design minimally disrupts the work area and traffic, ensuring safe and clean operations. The swivel system enables perpendicular orientation to the excavator for connecting and laying secondary pipelines off the main channel. Various soil removal and loading methods, including conveyor belts or vacuum systems, ensure efficient production and safety in pipeline construction. The Terex RH-170 stands as a colossus in mining and construction, towering to an impressive height of approximately 39 feet and stretching to a length of about 52 feet. Equipped with a wide blade and a robust engine, this mammoth machine excels in the excavation of rock and earth. Its capabilities not only highlight its efficiency, but also symbolize its pivotal role in advancing infrastructure projects worldwide. This powerhouse is designed to handle the most demanding tasks, setting a benchmark in heavy machinery performance. Standing tall amidst the vast expanse of open-pit mines, the Schaufelradbagger 258, a colossal excavation behemoth, reigns supreme. Its towering form, akin to a mechanical titan, casts an imposing shadow over the once tranquil terrain. Its wide, steel-clad wheels, each measuring a staggering 15 feet in diameter, effortlessly traverse the rugged landscape, while its colossal buckets, each capable of scooping up a staggering 220 cubic feet of earth, tirelessly devour the Earth's bounty. This mechanical marvel is not merely a machine, it is a seasoned miner, a master of its domain. With an uncanny ability to navigate the treacherous depths of open-pit mines, it tirelessly excavates layers of earth, meticulously unearthing the hidden treasures buried beneath. Its relentless pursuit of mineral wealth transforms serene landscapes into profound pits, scars upon the Earth's surface that testify to its prodigious powers. The Caterpillar 385C excavator initiates its work with a resonant roar. Its substantial wheels effortlessly navigate challenging landscapes, adeptly shifting earth and stones. With hydraulic arms exerting force on a sizable bucket, it delves into the ground, seamlessly adjusting to diverse orientations and locations. This display underscores the excavator's remarkable ability to extract and handle natural resources. Renowned for its strength and versatility, the 385C is a key player in earth-moving operations, showcasing advanced engineering that enhances its effectiveness in various mining and construction tasks. Witness the Sumitomo SH500, a mechanical titan adept at managing scorching coal fragments. This powerhouse effortlessly hoists and deposits substantial rocks into its receptacle, while sparks and fumes arise from the heated stones. The tireless functioning of the Sumitomo SH500 is truly a spectacle. Known for its robust construction and high efficiency, this excavator is equipped with advanced technology that allows precision handling of heavy materials, making it an indispensable asset in mining operations. Its capacity to work under extreme conditions while maintaining safety and effectiveness is what sets it apart in the heavy machinery arena. The BMM 400 stands out as an advanced industrial machine, specializing in crafting premium concrete bricks. Featuring cutting-edge technology, it streamlines the entire brick-making process, from blending and dispensing the brick compound to its compression and molding. This system consistently distributes and compacts the mixture, guaranteeing the production of superior quality bricks. Renowned for its efficiency and precision, the BMM 400 symbolizes innovation in construction technology, making it a key player in modern building practices. Its capability to maintain consistent quality in brick formation sets a new standard in the manufacturing of construction materials. In the realm of agriculture, the Claas Zarian 5000 tractor is a standout with its 530 horsepower engine. This machine revolutionizes farming with its unique rotating cab and versatile attachments for different tasks. Its CVT transmission ensures efficient power use, making it ideal for a variety of agricultural tasks, from plowing to sowing. The Hitachi EH5000 AC3, an impressive mining dump truck, boasts a payload capacity of 326 tons. Its advanced IGBT AC drive system enhances drive control for better operations. Standing at over 24 feet tall and 47 feet long, this truck is designed for heavy-duty mining efficiency. In construction, the Tadano GR1600XL crane shines with a 160-ton lifting capacity. Its unique 5-section telescoping boom extends up to 200 feet, making it perfect for high-rise construction. This crane's all-terrain capability and compact design allow it to operate in diverse environments. Caterpillar's 24 motor grader, a road construction staple, offers precision control for creating flat surfaces. Its 535 horsepower engine and 24-foot wide blade make it ideal for large construction projects and road maintenance, providing smooth grading with high efficiency. The Doosan DA45 articulated dump truck with a 41-ton payload capacity is designed for both mining and construction. Its robust construction and advanced suspension system allow it to navigate rough terrains effortlessly while carrying heavy loads. The Liebherr LTM 1450 8.1 mobile crane boasts an impressive 500-ton lifting capacity. This 8-axle crane has a 279-foot telescopic boom, making it perfect for heavy lifting in construction and industrial projects. Its advanced technology ensures efficient setup and operation. Komatsu's D475A5 bulldozer with an 890 horsepower engine is a behemoth in earth-moving. This dozer's massive blade and ripper make it ideal for stripping overburden in mining and large-scale land clearing. In agriculture, the JCB Fastrac 8330 stands out with its 348 horsepower engine and unparalleled speed for a tractor, reaching up to 43 miles per hour. It's designed for both fieldwork and transport, offering versatility and efficiency in agricultural operations. The Sandvik LH517i loader, designed for underground mining, features a 17-ton payload capacity and an advanced electric-hydraulic control system for precision. This loader is engineered for safety and efficiency in challenging subterranean environments. The Terex Demag AC 1000 9 all-terrain crane with a 1,200-ton lifting capacity is a powerhouse in the crane world. It combines impressive lifting power with mobility, making it ideal for various construction and industrial applications. Caterpillar's 6090 FS hydraulic shovel, one of the world's largest hydraulic shovels, boasts a 52 cubic yard bucket capacity. It's designed for large-scale mining operations, offering unmatched loading and digging efficiency. Liebherr's LTM 11209.1, the world's largest telescopic mobile crane, offers a 200-ton lifting capacity. Its 328-foot telescopic boom and advanced technology make it a key player in constructing wind turbines and skyscrapers. In the field of agriculture, the New Holland CR 1090 combine harvester stands out with its 653 horsepower engine. It holds the record for most wheat harvested in 8 hours, showcasing its efficiency and capacity in large-scale farming. Mack Granite Dump Truck, a versatile and durable truck, is designed for heavy-duty construction tasks. Its powerful engine and rugged design make it ideal for transporting materials in demanding construction environments. The Bobcat T870, the largest compact track loader in the Bobcat lineup, features an 11-foot lift height. It's highly maneuverable and versatile, ideal for construction and landscaping tasks in confined spaces. The Manitowoc MLC 650 lattice boom crawler crane with a 717-ton lifting capacity is renowned for its variable position counterweight technology, which enhances its lifting capabilities. This crane is designed for heavy lifting in construction and infrastructure projects. The Demag CC 8800, one crawler crane with an astonishing 600-ton lifting capacity, is a titan in the crane industry. Its advanced design allows for exceptional lifting power and reach, making it ideal for large-scale industrial and construction projects. The Vermeer T1255 3-terrain leveler, designed for surface mining, features a 600-horsepower engine and a unique cutting system. This machine excels in precise excavation, creating a smooth surface for mining operations. The Fendt 1050 Vario, a behemoth in the agricultural sector, redefines farming efficiency. Powered by a 517-horsepower engine, this tractor is the world's largest standard tractor. Its Vario drive transmission is a marvel, intelligently distributing power between front and rear wheels. The 1050 Vario isn't just about raw power. It features a stepless Vario transmission, allowing for smooth speed adjustments from 0.02 to 37 miles per hour, ensuring optimal performance in various farming tasks. The tractor's smart farming systems, including Vario Guide auto steering, provide precision in fieldwork, reducing overlap and saving on fuel and inputs. It's a machine that combines brute strength with intelligent technology, making it a favorite among modern farmers for large-scale operations. In the mining world, the Bagger 293 bucket wheel excavator stands as a testament to human engineering. This colossal machine, recognized by the Guinness World Records as the heaviest land vehicle, weighs over 31 million pounds and stands approximately 314 feet tall and 738 feet long. It's equipped with 18 buckets, each capable of scooping 15 cubic yards of coal or overburden. The Bagger 293, built by ThyssenKrupp, is not just a giant for show. It's incredibly efficient and capable of moving 240,000 cubic yards of earth per day. Used primarily in coal mining, this behemoth's wheel rotates at 10 revolutions per minute, unearthing massive amounts of material, which is then transported away by conveyor systems. Its scale and efficiency make it a key asset in large-scale mining operations. Kalmar's Super Gloria, the world's largest reach stacker, is a game-changer in shipping and logistics. With a lifting capacity of 143 tons, it's designed to handle the heaviest and largest cargo with ease. Its impressive lifting power is complemented by advanced technology, including smart systems for stability and cargo handling. The Super Gloria offers flexibility and efficiency in port operations, capable of stacking containers 5 and high in the first row. It's not just about muscle. The machine provides excellent maneuverability and precision, ensuring the safe and efficient handling of valuable goods. The Super Gloria represents the forefront of logistics technology, making it a crucial tool in global trade. The Komatsu D575A3 Superdozer, the world's largest bulldozer, is a marvel in earthmoving. With a 1,150 horsepower engine, this dozer is a mining and large-scale land-clearing powerhouse. It features a massive 90 cubic yard blade, capable of moving vast amounts of earth with each pass. The D575A3 is not just about size, it's engineered for efficiency and durability. With features like a dual tilt blade for precise grading and a robust undercarriage for challenging terrains. In mining operations, it's used for tasks like pushing rock and other materials into piles or clearing land for new developments. The dozer's advanced hydraulics provide responsive control, making it a precise and formidable tool for large-scale projects. The Letourneau L2350 wheel loader holds the record as the world's largest wheel loader. Designed for heavy lifting and loading, this loader features a 2,300 horsepower engine and a 53.3 cubic yard bucket capacity. Its primary function is to load haul trucks in mining operations, and it does so with remarkable efficiency, capable of lifting 160,000 pounds in a single scoop. The L2350 combines raw power with advanced technology, including an electric drive system that provides more efficient operation and lower maintenance costs compared to traditional mechanical systems. Its design focuses on operator comfort and safety, with a spacious cab and advanced control systems, making it not only a giant in size but also in productivity. The Wirtgen W250i cold milling machine is a leader in road construction. With a milling width of 7.3 feet and a depth of 0.5 feet, this machine plays a crucial role in removing asphalt and concrete surfaces for road rehabilitation. Its advanced control system ensures precise milling, crucial for quality road surfaces. The W250y is powered by a 991 horsepower engine, offering high performance and efficiency. It features innovative solutions for reducing dust and noise emissions, making it more environmentally friendly. The machine's advanced technology includes a user-friendly control interface and GPS-based milling systems, providing precision and efficiency in milling operations. Its design emphasizes quick and easy maintenance, ensuring high availability and productivity. The Sandvik DR 580 down-the-hole drill is a formidable machine in the mining sector. It's designed for large-scale surface drilling applications, offering power and precision. The DR 580 features a powerful diesel engine and a robust undercarriage, making it suitable for tough terrains. It can drill holes up to 8 inches in diameter and 180 feet deep, making it ideal for high-production drilling in quarries and open-pit mines. The drill's advanced control system allows for precise hole alignment, ensuring efficient blasting and material fragmentation. Its operator comfort features, including a spacious and ergonomic cab, reduce operator fatigue during long shifts. The DR 580's design focuses on safety and environmental considerations, with features like dust collection systems and low-emission engines. The Atlas Copco Pit Viper 311 rotary blast hole drill rig is designed for efficiency and precision in large-scale mining operations. This drill rig features a robust design for durability and reliability in harsh mining environments. It's equipped with a powerful diesel engine and advanced drilling systems, capable of drilling holes up to 12.25 inches in diameter. The Pit Viper 311 offers versatility, able to operate in a variety of drilling methods, including rotary and DTH, down the hole. Its automated drilling systems enhance precision and efficiency, reducing the need for operator intervention. The AGCO Challenger MT975B, a behemoth in the agricultural world, is powered by a 570 horsepower Cat C18 engine. This articulated four-wheel drive tractor is known for its unparalleled traction and stability, essential for working on diverse terrains. With a weight of 50,000 pounds and a fuel capacity of 330 gallons, it's designed for large-scale farming tasks. The MT975B's unique mobile track system provides a balance of flotation and traction, reducing soil compaction while ensuring efficient field performance. From the vast open fields of agriculture to the precise operations in construction, these machines are not just tools. They are partners in progress. Each one demonstrates a blend of power, precision, and innovation, symbolizing the pinnacle of modern engineering. As we continue to explore these mechanical giants, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity and technological advancements that drive our industries forward. Stay tuned as we unveil more of these magnificent machines that are working at another level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of machinery.